Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and in today's video I want to bring you guys a really quick hair review on this hair that I am currently rocking at the moment. Y'all already know when I come to you guys about a hair review, it's always something super affordable, and that's what this hair is, super affordable. So if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about this super straight, super bomb, like this amazing hair, then of course continue watching this video. Like I stated, I want to share with you guys a really quick review on this hair that I currently have in right now. This hair is the Shake and Go Organic Hue Master Mix 1-pack solution. It does come with 3 bundles. I got 14, 16, and 18 inches for $19.99, and of course this is synthetic hair and I absolutely love it. So I do have this styled as a quick weave. I did get a chance to do a tutorial on this style because at the moment I was in a hurry, so I didn't get a chance to film this hairstyle. That's why I wanted to share with you guys my opinion on this hair. So like I stated, this is Shake and Go Organic Hue Master Mix hair in 14, 16, and 18. So prior to me ordering this hair from African's sister, I believe that's where I ordered it from, I did see some reviews here on YouTube on this hair. I did see some that synthetic hair is going to be a lot harder to manage because it is synthetic. So with that being said, that's why I purchased 14, 16, 18 inches, and I have absolutely been loving this hair. So I have had this quick weave in for almost 2 weeks now. So I also did not state this hair original pattern was body wave. Like I did mention, it did come with 3 bundles, and I do feel like this 1-pack solution is exactly like that's all you would need. It's just that 1-pack solution. And the reason why I say that is because this is my 14 inches and I didn't have to touch this at all. So the only thing I have in my head right now is just 16 and 18. Like I always mention, I do have a very small head, so all of these bundles could not fit in my head. So I do have an entire 14-inch left, and this is the original curl pattern, which is body wave. So when I first installed body wave, I did not put any product on the hair. The only thing I did was brush it every day, and I was completely fine. I didn't really get any tangles, not too many. Like I said, inches under 18 is always going to be a lot easier to manage, and that's just that. I did straighten it, and the only reason why I straighten it is because I want to try something else. I was just tired of wearing it in the body wave form. I just want to straighten it, and it straightens really well. And also, if you guys haven't noticed something different, like I said, this is a quick weave, but in all of my other quick weave videos I have like a side part or something like that, and this time I decided to do a middle part because I want to try something different, step outside of the ordinary, the stuff I always do. So I did this middle part and I absolutely enjoy it. I think it looks really good. The only reason why I don't normally do it is because of this thing right here that's just so big, but it is what it is. This hair is amazing. I just want to share with you guys really quickly because if you guys are college students on a budget or adults on a budget, I just feel like this would be perfect hair, especially for a quick little style. And also, I did try to curl this hair with a curling one. It doesn't really hold well with a curling one. I did see a young lady here on YouTube who actually used, I believe, flexi rods to curl it, and it actually turned out beautifully. So I would honestly say try her method if you wanted some curls, but I was just fine with me keeping the body wave and straightening the hair, and as you can see, it turned out beautifully. And I'm running my fingers through it, and I'm not getting any anything. If you're on a budget or you just like affordable hair, I would definitely say try this hair out. I really do enjoy it. Like I said, I've had this hair in for almost 2 weeks now, and it hasn't given me any problems at all. So that's it. That's all I want to share with you guys in this video. If you have any other questions or anything that I did not answer in this video, leave them in the comment section. I will be sure to answer, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.